Welcome back to a little two spanners tutorial. Today I'm working on Lewis's GSI front bumpers. This is his old one. One second, let me just flip it round. So this is the one that currently came off of. This is the one that currently came off of his bumper. I am going to try and repair this just because he wants to try and keep the original bumper with the car, but he has brought a second one, which we got here. But this one's been, well, I think there's a big split that runs from here all the way up and around, but if it does come to it, I'm gonna have to grind all this off and we're gonna have to use this bumper, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna set the camera up and then we'll just well, I don't know, time lapse it and see if we can get this bumper anywhere near, I suppose.
Real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, it's how I feel, real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works.
So I've warmed this up, we're going to see if this will pop out. Don't know how I'm going to do this, but we'll give it a go. So it's not looking too bad. We've got a big bit here and some bits here. So I'm just going to play around with this for a little while and just heat it up and keep pressing it out until we're somewhere near, and then we'll move over to the plastic welder and we'll weld this split up. We've got a couple of splits in here I need to weld up. So I'll be back shortly once I've heated this up and got it somewhere near again. So a little look at the bumper. Don't think it's come out too shabby, to be fair. Obviously I've still got this little split up here to weld, this one here to weld, and these two little bits here. So I'm going to find out what plastic it is by looking at the back. I might need to clean it off. Oh no, here we go, just here. So we've got to use PPEPDM. So I'm going to go find the little stick and we'll get it over by the welder and get that welded up. And then I'll be back.
So won't you just give it up, cause you don't understand. Big it up, but you don't understand. I feel it's falling down, I know I'll catch it. You crazy road, hey. I feel real passionate. You feel the sun comes down, don't make it turn. You crazy road, hey.
So we're all welded up. I'm just gonna get a DA on it now. There's a few little low spots. It's gonna have a bit of filler up here. But apart from that, I think we're more or less good with it. So I'll put you on a time lapse, we'll get a DA and get some filler in it.
Real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, because this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to stay out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, it's love, it's love.
So for these little low spots here, I'm going to heat them up and try and push them out a bit more, just so we can try and get rid of them before I put a skim of filler over it, so there ain't too much filler in the thing, but that bit's all come out okay. So I've got these two little bits here to do, or three, sorry, and we'll start attacking this bit up here. But it's coming along nicely.
It's a love, yeah. Oh. So won't you just give it up, cause you don't understand. Big it up, but you don't understand. And it's really nice, but you don't understand. So big it out, cause you don't understand. Hey, cause you don't understand, baby. I feel it's falling down.
So as you can see, I've managed to heat it up, push it out, get rid of it. This top half's definitely going to need filler in it, but gonna do my best to try and get most of it all out, so we don't have to put too much in there, and then we'll move on to the next stage.
Real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, yes, I feel real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, so won't you just give it up, cause you don't understand. Pick it up, but you don't understand. And it's really nice, but you don't understand. So pick it up, cause you don't understand. Yeah, cause you don't understand, baby.
So I filled it, I've rubbed it down, the bumper is done. There's a couple of little bits I need to tidy up before we prime it and prep it, obviously. But hopefully you've liked this little episode. There will be another little episode on the bumper. Obviously painting it, prepping it and all that lot. If you like the video, please don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.